In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sync Salesflare with your CRM and how it can make managing your customer relationships a breeze. If you've been wondering how to get your Salesflare and CRM systems to communicate seamlessly, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Stick with me until the end because we've got a special extended free trial offer just for you. First off, let's start with a quick overview. Salesflare is a CRM tool that focuses on automation, making it easier for you to track, follow up, and convert leads. It's not your typical CRM. It takes a lot of manual work off your plate by automatically pulling data from your email, calendar, and other integrations to keep your contacts up to date. But what if you want to sync it with your existing CRM, like Salesforce, HubSpot, or another platform? Well, you're in the right place. Now, syncing Salesflare with your CRM is straightforward, but first, you need to have your Salesflare account set up and ready to go. If you haven't done so yet, you can sign up using the first link below and enjoy an exclusive extended free trial. With that, you can test everything we're talking about today without any risk. Once you're set up, syncing Salesflare with your CRM begins by connecting your accounts. Depending on which CRM you're using, you'll need to go into your Salesflare account, navigate to the Integrations tab, and find your CRM listed there. Salesflare has built-in integrations with popular CRMs like Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, and more. Click on the CRM you want to sync with, and you'll be prompted to log into that CRM to authorize the connection. It's a simple process of clicking through, allowing access, and you're good to go. The beauty of this integration is that once it's set up, Salesflare automatically syncs your CRM data. This means your contacts, deals, and even email correspondence will be updated in both platforms in real time. You won't need to manually update records across different systems. All your notes, meetings, and follow-ups will be reflected in both systems without you lifting a finger. One of the key features of syncing Salesflare with your CRM is the ability to ensure consistency across your entire sales pipeline. For example, when you log a call in Salesflare, it'll update your CRM so your whole team is on the same page. If a deal moves forward in Salesflare, it'll reflect in your CRM automatically, ensuring that no important updates fall through the cracks. You can also sync your email correspondence, meaning every interaction you have with a lead is captured automatically. Whether you're using Gmail, Outlook, or another email client, Salesflare keeps track of everything and syncs it into your CRM. This saves you time and ensures all the data is in one place. In addition to syncing contacts and emails, Salesflare offers great automation options that can also work in tandem with your CRM. If you have workflows set up in your CRM, you can use Salesflare's features to automate tasks based on the activities and actions tracked within both systems. You may also want to sync your tasks or reminders from Salesflare with your CRM's task management. This helps you stay on top of your schedule, making sure that important follow-ups are never missed. Now, it's important to mention that syncing Salesflare with your CRM isn't just about transferring data, it's about automating your workflow. With Salesflare, once you've synced, you get an added layer of automation that helps you nurture leads more effectively and maintain a more organized pipeline. To sum it up, syncing Salesflare with your CRM will save you a lot of time, reduce manual data entry, and keep everything in sync across both systems. Plus, with the advanced automation features, you can optimize your sales process and stay on top of every lead and opportunity. Remember, you can start using Salesflare today for free by clicking the link in the description below. And don't forget, you're getting an exclusive extended free trial when you sign up through our link. This setup is the perfect way to ensure your customer relationship management is efficient and synced across all platforms. If you want more tips on using Salesflare or CRMs in general, make sure to subscribe and check out more videos on optimizing your digital marketing strategy. Thanks for watching.